Oh, look at that. There's the Falcon Sprint, yeah, 1964. It's running at 392 heavy engine in it. That's owned by Greg, one of the chaps that have organized the whole group. Guy. Chrysler heavy. That's right. Yeah.
But that was a scary moment, and I do have a spinner. I think it's the metallic green Effie that's gone round now. Catch up and the B25 BRM number 26 carries this from the world. There's the last ever 250F, the Tech Mech, that's the red one, and right behind it.
Lotus 14 in preparation for this meeting. GT cars. V8s from some of the cars, straight sixes in there as well.
Dev is going.
Well, they're working lap 11 now. Still applying himself to the task to try to unseat number 18 car.
The chasing car, the Lister Costin of Chris Ward, ran a little bit wide to undid because he had midpoint in the corner. So Bobby Bird Rowe, we've seen how quick that Ferrari is when the power goes down. Get the laptop for a second. Front there. Chris Ward, and this is again where the gear change proper.
He knows quite a lot of these guys. He knows what to expect from some of them. Still, some will be kind of international men of mystery, but whatever, very much more a discovery among the